Yan. Ito, pag galing kayo dyan, papuntang Lake Tabeo, pag kumaliwa kayo, ito, palabas kayo ng Ambuklaw. Kabayan, Ambuklaw, then Nueva Vizcaya. Pero tayo, dito tayo sa kanan. Kasi kayo pupunta na tayo ng Bugyas. Bugyas tayo.
Life too short to go through it alone. When I met you, you left an open door. I keep checking in to see if you're still home. Wanna be your light, wanna be your home. Ooh, are you home? Ooh, are you there? No one ever see me the way you do, 'cause I never met anyone like you. Look up, the stars align. Now what don't I do be strong all by myself? You said it's okay to ask for help, and God, I found you now. Don't know why you keep letting me in, 'cause I'll be terrified to let someone else win. Over my heart to say it out loud, that I need you always by my side. Ooh, are you home? Ooh, are you there? No one ever see me the way you do, 'cause I never met anyone like you. Look up.
Yan, ito yung papuntang Tinok. Yan.
To be strong all by myself. You said it's okay to ask for help, and God, I found you now. No one ever see me.
Good morning. Dito na po ba yung sentro ng Bugyas? Doon pa po? Yung bata na sentro niya, yung pakyat doon. Okay. Salamat. Thank you.
Said it's okay to ask for help, and God, I found you now.
Hindi tayo nang lililiman yan, dyan ako magpalipad. Sityo pala ito mga...
Polaroids all scattered across the dusty floor in the backseat of my Chevy 58, along with bits of candy wrappers. Looking back to when our castle was a shack, vacation was making figure eights in the parking lot. Remember when we used to forget more than we forgot? Wasn't like we didn't work hard enough. I'm trying to hold on to all the things that we did right, but how could I forget about you leaving? Since my heart has never stopped bleeding, all that I can see is that I lost you then. I'm looking for a reason to forgive you, and sometimes I even wanna be with you, just to hear you say that it's alright now. I am tearing down this wall. Years go by, and gradually the tears run dry, but I'm still here looking for your face in the faceless crowd.
Bugyas na tayo mga kalakotsero.
I'll find those
Sentro ng Bugyas. Hanap lang tayo ng makakainan at di pa kami nag-breakfast ni Commander.
I'm trying to
Bugyas!
the things that we did right. But how could I forget about you leaving? Since my heart has never stopped believing. All that I can see is that I lost you then. I'm looking for a reason to forget.
Yo, nagpiparada muna kami dito sa parking area na may bayad. Dito sa pay parking, dito sa Abatan, Bugyas. Man! Sige, bala ka na. Kaya muna kami dito sa Alsema. Dito na naman kami kumain dati. Dito tayo.
Ano sa'yo? Ikaw?
Yung dati sa atin.
Ano
Ito ko yun.
ano ba yun? Dating
Alsema rice.
meron ba?
Yun o. Dito kami lagi kumakain sa Alsema Restaurant, Abatan, no? Abatan.
Ano pa nila
Buka
dito?
pa na iba gusto mo.
Oo nga, Alsema rice. Ano tong fried rice? Alsema may vegetable ba to?
Ang vegetables po ma'am yung chapsay rice po, pero hindi po siya pure na chapsay rice kasi may pork meat po.
So, ano siya?
Sa akin yung Alsema rice.
Yung Alsema complete yun.
Chicken, pork, pancit, din rice ma'am.
Ito na lang chop suey rice na.
Chop suey rice sa Alsema rice.
Sige, gusto ko ulo.
Ay, pahinga muna. At malayo din, no? Malayo din yung pinuntahan namin kung saan kami nang galing. Yun, no? Musok-usok pa. Kaya muna tayo mga kalakotsero. binabaybay na natin ang Balsema Highway. Umakyat tayo kanina sa may Abatan, Bugyas. Nag-lunch tayo. Ngayon, punta tayo ng Atok, Benguet. Dadaanan natin ang second highest point. Ganyan ang view. Kaganda! Ang ganda! Yan. Hindi nakakasawa ang bumiyahe dito sa may Benguet Mountain Province. Ang ganda ng mga tanawin, mga mountain pass. Ako, kung ako tatanungin nyo, hindi ako mananawa na padaan-daan dito sa may Balsema Highway. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo ang second highest point. Malapit-lapit na tayo. Siguro mga ano na lang, ilang kilometro na lang. Update lang mga kalabatsero.
Leaving everyone behind as their slow fires die down. Once we left, we found it hard.
Ito na, highest point na tayo mga kalabatsero. Isang kilometro na lang. Highest point na. Pangalawa sa pinakamataas na daan dito sa Pilipinas. Stop over muna tayo dyan, mag-unat-unat. At mamanid na mga pet namin saka mga paa. Yan, may gumagawa yung mga kapatid natin dito. Talagang alagang-alaga ang Balsema Highway sa mga kapatid natin dito. Good job! Mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo. Ito na po ang Balsema second highest point. Dito na tayo sa second highest point mga kalabatsero. Ito na.
Oh, oh, yeah. 1,000 good miles.
Ganda. Yan, dito ba tayo? Ang ganda talaga dito. Yun yung mountain back. Inakyat na namin yun, yung last na vlog ko dito sa Atok. Yan. Tapos doon naman yung Northern Blossom. Yan. Ito ang view dito sa viewpoint. Ay, against the light. Against the light.
361.
Against the light kasi doon.
Value ako.
Siyempre ha.
Eh, day off ko naman.
Sir, enjoy mo ha. Enjoy.
Enjoy, sir! Lake Tabeo, sir! Galing kami Lake Tabeo!
Galing kami Lake Tabeo.
Ang
Kaya
ganda,
lang,
sir!
Dapat may camping na gear ka. Oo, ganda doon.
Mag-isa lang si sir, galing.